So I'm gonna start with the clutch side of the bike, the left hand side. One of the first steps to do is we gotta take these winglets off. Then you gotta take these side panels off right here. Then once you get that off, you take this off. And you gotta get this off. Just put that in there. So here's an example of the tools you'll need. You need a 4mm. Focus in on it. Here we go. 4mm for all the body panel parts, pretty much. And then you got inside here too. There's a screw here, and there's a screw down here, right here, for both the main sides of the panel. So that's the 4mm for that. For this right here, you'll need a, I believe it's a T25. Let's see. Yeah, it's a T25 for right here. To get that off, and then you'll need a this is a 14mm for this right here. For that right here, 14mm. And obviously for the actual frame sliders, you'll need what's this, 5mm, and then a 10mm for each one of these right here. And I think this would be the this is the 5mm, and these are 10, I believe, 10mm. Something else you will need, you'll definitely need a torque wrench. For that, I'll get into the torque specs and everything like that. And you'll need some anti-seize. This is what I'm using for right now. I'm only using a little bit, I'm not using a bunch. And you'll need some Loctite. Loctite for these right here. Once you put these back on, you need just a little bit of Loctite so they don't fly off when you're riding. And the grease is for this nail. Any nail that goes, I guess for these right here, they go into the anywhere near the engine. You'll want to use anti-seize, so it won't get stuck on there, so it won't spacey, so it doesn't seize. So I'm gonna sit you guys down and we'll get all these panels off, and we'll get to putting the frame slider on. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna start with the top winglet. Like I said, you need a 4mm. I thought I'd be able to take this off, or at least push it forward a lot better. But there's one more screw underneath here. I'll show you guys up close once to get it off. Alright, got it off. It's also a 4mm. There's also a 4mm. It goes right here. You know, just to get this to pull forward. So I can get my socket wrench out to get this silver. Get that off right there. To get that off. So, alright, so stay tuned. Get that off in a second. Okay, got my 14mm socket. Okay, guys, let's show you what I'm talking about right here. I need to remove that. That's inside here. A 14mm. Set that aside. You want to come grab this inner. This goes inside there. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Just lay right in there. Got that in one hand. Okay. So I'm gonna get to this bad boy right here. This might be an issue to get this off. Let me see how I can get it off with a regular socket. If not, I might need to use an impact, but let's see. Okay guys, I had to use my torque wrench and reverse to loosen that up. That thing's on there. Okay guys, got it out. It's 14 millimeter. As you see, there's a little substance around it. It's like some grease or something like that. But I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it, on the new one. Set this in there. Alright guys, let me show you the issue. I don't know if you can see like deep in there, but basically it seems like let me see if I can get a flashlight in there. Seems like the frame wasn't drilled in enough. That's why it was so hard to get the stock screw out. And now this new one is just not going to go in there. So what I had to do is force it. I don't know if you can see a lot of metal in there. Some metal shavings in there. Yeah, so basically I had to like drill in there to get that in there so it's straight. It was kind of crooked, so now the screw should go straight in there. So now I'm gonna put this on. Alright, man, it's been a challenge. Okay guys, to actually get this in there, I'm gonna do it the other way. At first I was setting the metal pieces on it, on the bike, but I'm just put this piece in here, faces in like that, sits in there like that. Then I'm gonna grab the screws to go in here and here, all in one piece. Put metal in it now. It's metal from the frame. Go around it. I'll wipe some of that off. Then I'm gonna put this in here. Alright. It goes in there like that. And it faces outward that way. This piece faces out that way. So here. Grab the 5 millimeter for the top and just hand tighten that. Grab the white washer, it goes right here, and you grab the actual frame slider itself. That goes in there like that. Here, pop. Notice how you know it's in there. And mind you, there's a longer one of these. That's for the right hand side, because I'll get into it when I go on to that side. But basically, this is the shorter side because basically you're only protecting a shorter side. Remember, the right hand side sticks out because you have the oil and all that stuff over there, which sticks out further. So you need the shorter one for this side. And you need the longer one for over there, but I'll get into that next. Basically, like I said, it slides in here like this, that. Then you grab the washer that goes in here, like that. Sit that in there. You grab this, that goes in there like that. Okay, also 10 millimeter with an extension. That, like so. Okay. And we're going right here with it. Okay. And we're going to tighten this to 40 Newton meters for this one. this one down here, right underneath the puck. This one needs to be torqued down to 100 Newton meters. Okay, this one right here, so it's 20 Newton meters. I wanted to show you guys what I was saying as far as all the supplies being a longer length. Starting with this one here that goes in here. This one's also longer. This is longer also. It sits in here in the silver part back there. And this is also longer. It goes in the back of there like that. And I'll show you that once I put it in there, but just let you know the size of it, because basically you need to protect this side. See how it sticks out further? The other side, so that's why everything else is on the right hand side is longer length. So when you're putting things on, make sure you're aware of that and don't mix up the sizes. So long side will be the brake side, and short side would be the clutch side, which is the left side of the bike. Alright, so here we go. Put this on here. We already got it pretty much set off, got everything off already. And we got this up in there. So basically you just need to slide that in there like that. Just follow the same steps as far as putting the inner one and the outer frame thing in there, silver part piece. And then same thing like I said as that. This slides in there like so, like that. And then we're going to go, yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna sit you guys down and I'm gonna put this in there and we'll wrap this up. Clear washer, and it goes in here like that. Boom, it's in. And tightens, same as before. Same thing with this one too. Again, it seems like the frame's just like, I don't know what's up. I don't know if anybody else had this issue, but it seems like the frame was like not centered. It's not on there properly, which means what? Which is why it was so hard for me to get the stock ones off, because it wasn't on right. I guess because it's I don't know. Maybe you guys in the comment section let me know why that was. Why it was like, I don't know. It wasn't. Looks like it's basically like it wasn't drilled in all the way. I just got to put the rest of these pieces on, and we'll wrap up the video. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, all done. Frame sliders. We got the kickstand knob thingy, and we got this piece up here. I got to start the bike. I haven't started the bike in so long, so I'm gonna lower it down. Start it up. Crank this thing up. Grab my garage real quick. It's been so long, I don't even know how to start this thing. Let's see. It's a neutral.